So guys, hello, let's training! Today I will teach you cool exercises about legs, so please take this position, yes, and what we do, we will up our leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and also fix this position please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and also another side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So cool. Also, let's change our position. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and another side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So after that we will do this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So cool. Please change and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So cool. Also compensation for our hands, and do another exercise. So 1, 2 is maximum, open your chest. Yes, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so cool. After that we will do exercise helicopter. Yes, why I give this exercise that name? Because I think it's very the same. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cool. Let's change our legs. This exercise is very cool because at the same time we're training your hips, yes, and also back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So excellent, guys. Also compensation. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So and also 4 fingers. Yes, so cool. Okay, after this, we will do this exercise. Please open your legs. Yes, what we do. So 1, 2, please take your back straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And try to up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So excellent, guys. Cool. And after that, I will give you a new exercise. Yes, I think I don't do this before. Maybe very a long time ago. Yes. So what is this? Do this position and do circles by your body. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's try another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So also breathe in and breathe out. Don't forget about breathing, please, because if you don't give your muscles oxygen, yes, so you can't be healthy. You know about this? So remember, please. And also a butterfly, and we will do pushes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Yes, and breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. So guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel for trainings. Thank you that you spent this a little time with me. So thank you for your likes, subscribes, yes, and watching. If you have some questions for me, please write this in comments. I read everything. And so have a nice day, and so see you soon.